Hello everyone and welcome back to another haul. Today this haul is like a nail stamping, nail tool, and nail polish haul. Some of these items I got for my birthday. Thank you, Mom. And I wanted to share them with you. Most of you probably clicked on the video for Maniology, so I'm going to do the Maniology first. And finally, from Maniology, they finally had their cotton gripper back in stock, and it looks like this. And you press the pineapple down and these claws come out to grab your cotton ball or plates. The first plate I grabbed was one that I've been eyeing for a while. I have not had a chance to use these plates, but this one is the Mystic Woods Leafy Feathers and Butterfly Wings. And I thought this would be really fun. The only thing is that the wings are pretty large and my nails are kind of short right now. I think I could still, my nails are kind of short right now, but I think I could still make this work, obviously. I'm pretty positive we can. This is an artist collaboration, polished gesso. I love to read. I love books. If you didn't know, I don't know if you did. My favorite author overall is Stephen King, and I like a ton of different genres of books. I just love a good story and good character development. I felt I needed this plate. This is not new, it's just an older plate they had on the site, but finally got that. Got it for my birthday. The next plate is called Magic Mushrooms, and I just thought this looked like the vintage, well, there's always mushrooms, but vintage like cookware and stuff like that I know your mother or your grandmother probably had, possibly even yourself now. I know my mom and Nanny both had a pot that had like these mushrooms on it, and it just reminded me of that, so I wanted to do some mushroom manicures. The last plate I grabbed is the Save the Turtles plate. Another thing you may or may not know about me is I absolutely love turtles. Love turtles. And just take a look at this little visitor we had in the backyard the other day. Isn't she adorable? Yes, she's a yellow box turtle, and the females tend to have red or brown eyes, and she had brown eyes. Anyways, I love turtles, so I cannot wait to use this plate. I picked up a few more polishes from Believe Beauty, and I think that their polishes, the price range is $1 to $2.50. There's different finishes, there's different formulas. Overall, great polish brand. I started with one of their polishes and now I don't even know how many that I have, but I picked up these polishes here. So it's really pretty, nice minty kind of blue, beach wave. I want to say these were all $2. A darker teal. It's called It Takes Two. This is some really pretty polishes. The formulas are really great as well. They apply opaque 2 to 3 coats, and for the price you can't beat it. This one is more of like a palm green or something, forest green, and this is called Crowd Surfing. And the last one I picked up that day was this dark hunter kind of green, and it's called Knighted. Really beautiful, and I'm going to insert a picture because I wore these all except for, all pictured in the picture. This one, and this one are all shown in the picture. This one was left out because it didn't completely fit turquoisey ombre I was going for, so I don't have a picture of that one on my nails, but all of these are pictured. And at the local flea market, I found a few clean color nail polishes and a Lonely Revlon polish. I paid 25 cents for this Revlon nail polish. The Ultra HD Snap. I remember seeing this in someone's video and thinking, Like, I really love this Army Kelly Green kind of shade. Love this. But they didn't sell this in the store anymore. These were, I think, about $5 or so. And I found it at the flea market for 25 cents. And then from Clean Colors that day, I typically don't pick up too many of the Clean Colors anymore because they're kind of thick. They don't dry super quickly. But some of the finishes you really can't beat. And these were $1 each. So I've worn all of these on my nails. I kind of doubled them up to create different effects. So I will show you as we go along. Ethereal. And this is predominantly a shift of like a reddish pink. The camera's not going to do these justice. They're gorgeous. These are multi-dimensional toppers. They shift different shades. It's got some orange in there too. If you apply these over white, they're going to take the light kind of pastel shade that they shift onto the nails, apply them onto black, and they're going to be super multi-dimensional. Next up is Galactic, and this one's like a purpley blue shift, and this has less shimmers than the other ones. So that one's like shimmery in texture kind of. This one is not like that. It's just basic shimmer. Anyways, I applied this one over black, Galactic over black, and then this ethereal over top of that, and it made this really beautiful shifting look. Then I got Prism, and once again it's like a blue, purpley, pink, red kind of shift to this one. And I use this one, and this one here is in Twilight, and it's a blue, turquoisey kind of shifting green as well in there. And I wore these in an ombre over top of black, and I was obsessed with that manicure. I wore it probably over a week, and I typically am not like that with my manicures. So I've changed them pretty often, but this was absolutely gorgeous. So this is my nail themed haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, stay tuned for more hauls. Stay tuned for more nail art and nail polish videos. And don't forget to check the cards and the description box for additional links. Thank you guys so very much for watching.